Hey, how's it going? Rob Schiller with M Events here. We're here at InfoComm 26 highlighting our presentation management software. And so one thing that's cool about a presentation management software is it's an integrated ecosystem that can trigger all of the things in the room. So right here, if I'm going to trigger a presentation, right within our user integrated interface, you select on your icon, and once you select your presentation that starts automatically, it does control all of our digital furniture. As you can see here in our custom built digital lectern, it will automatically have the nameplate pop right up, and we can even change that to graphics with the different times and sessions throughout the day. We have additional integration features that can be done within our MTalk presentation management software. It just gives you a lot of different flexibility so you can send all the presentations to every room, whether it's 5 rooms or 60 different breakout rooms. It's really a great opportunity. In addition, a great feature is because it's network-based, you can utilize our presentation management software and be able to use it for digital signage, overflow situations, and several other great conference solutions all in one space. So we're really excited to be here at InfoComm 26, and again, please check us out at m-events.com.